Hello, this is Bluemix, directly from Silicon Valley. I would like to show you an example running Kitura and running server-side Swift and checking out Swift for everybody. So this is my GitHub repository, and so you can access it just following link ibm.biz/instatrip, and you will be directed to Bluemix GitHub repository. So let's start the first example. We are going to use Kitura, which is IBM server, web server, and we will be playing with the Swift on the server. We will be deploying the example application on the server side. So let's see first the server side Swift, and the sample shows over here how the application is being constructed. So first you import Kitura, and then you create the router, and with the router you just simply demonstrate the link you would like to open, and then you create the response, and then you are able to launch the HTTP server on the port 8090, and you are ready to run the server. So it's a very elegant deployment. It uses Express.js framework. So this is the first part. The second part is using Swift Sandbox. So if we open the link, you can experience how it works. It's very simple. You can run it. You will see on the right hand side the result, and you can experience other sample codes. Just pick one, and let's do sorting, and you will get the response. So in such a way you can share with others your code or questions. So let's now deploy the Kitura sample just under 5 minutes, just using this very convenient deploy to Bluemix. So you need to log in. The login requires sign up to the Bluemix. It's IBM Cloud, free of charge for 30 days. And after setting up the name for your application, your application is ready to deploy. It takes literally couple minutes, 2-3 minutes to deploy and create a new application. So after deployment is done, you can either view your app, how it works. So in our case, if we touch view your app, we will see Kitura running, and then we can check one of the examples, and you will see it works, and then we can edit the code. Editing the code moves the environment to the DevOps, IBM DevOps, and then you can see our repository already copied over and cloned to the server. You can see the logs of the server, and you can check your source, and in the source you see entire source, and you can change it. And you're supposed to just import Kitura, but we are importing a little bit more. I will show in the next example how you can create your own stuff from the scratch. So just get the router, and we will be invoking our method when the hello extension is being called, and then request response next in response, and we will be sending a short hello. So this is not too much, and we are done. So now let's click the play button, and this is going to start in the logs our server. You will see how the server and applications being redeployed in our environment on the cloud. So as you can notice, everything is happening in the on the browser on the cloud side. So there is no need for you to change anything in your environment. You just sign up for the Bluemix, and you can play as much as you want. So now I am opening a dashboard. It should get us applications. Let me check if our deployment is happening. So if we come back here, we will see our service. I was deploying it a couple times, so there are a couple of the installations. And now you see that this what is the state of the application. So it's the same what logs are giving us. So it's a Swift. You see the memory committed and being used. So we see that there is a compiling and linking happening. Compile Kitura net, and we should be soon finalizing this stage. So you see that okay, let's restart. Let's see. So app is running. Oh, that's a good news. So if we go back over here, we see that the service is uploaded, and now we can check our server. It's running, and if we put hello, we have our comment that we did. So that concludes this example. I hope you like it. We have everything running. Dashboard of the Bluemix, and this is just a start. So under 5 minutes, you can experience the power of the Swift on the server side. Please watch my blog. It's a Bluemarek S and blogspot.com. Thank you.